with me. It's actually the first time I'm doing a plan with me on YouTube. I've done it before on Instagram Live, if you follow me there. I do quite a few lives, so I definitely suggest checking that out. Anyway, so I'm using the Cocoa Daisy personal pages, and I just took them out of my planner because it's a lot easier to decorate them this way. So I actually use these more as like a memory keeping style rather than actually planning. I mostly plan on my phone using the calendar because it's easier for me. So, but I really like to document everything on paper. So it's kind of like a scrapbook style sort of thing, just without the pictures. And I just use a bunch of stickers and jot down key things that happened that day. So right now I am just going through the stickers from Cocoa Daisy. These stickers are actually from the sticker subscription. If you haven't tried the sticker subscription out, I definitely suggest you do. They're a great add-on to your Cocoa Daisy kit. If you subscribe to Cocoa Daisy, if you don't subscribe to Cocoa Daisy, these stickers do fit the Erin Condren and then some of the Happy Planners as well. But yeah. And they just coordinate really well with the other kits as well. So before I jot down like what I did throughout the week, I just like to stick down some stickers just as a guideline type of thing. And then I do keep track of what I did, like what I want to add onto my planner by writing out on a list pad. So it's not totally random. And if I've had like an empty week or something like that, I'll add like bigger stickers, things like that. But I do have like key elements that I do want to add to the planner, like I said, that I write on a list pad or a sticky note. So here I'm going through the Happy Planner stickers to look for that big quote. Usually they have like some good quotes that I like to use, and I love the clear stickers whenever it comes to quotes. That way it looks like sort of like I handwrote it, but I know I didn't because it's actually a sticker. You know what I mean? But yeah. I'm not a fan of like white space in a planner, which is why I like to use a bunch of stickers and die cuts. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with white space. If you like that, you do that. But I, however, love all the colors and all the patterns and all the stickers. So there I stuck down a big quote, "Don't quit your daydream." And I kind of picked it because the colors matched really well with the blues. It kind of made it pop. I do like the quote though, but I do sometimes pick because of colors. Anyways, so there I just jotted down that I went to Pure Barre. I just started Pure Barre a couple weeks ago and I absolutely love it. What it is, if you haven't heard of it, it's like Pilates and yoga combined, so it's a pretty intense workout. But I'm so glad I got into it. I thought it would get easier as I go, but it's always different and it definitely hasn't gotten any easier, but it's such a good workout. So here I'm just sticking down the weekend banner just because I wanted to cover that white space. I don't really have weekends because I'm not working right now, so really every day is a weekend. And then that sticker that I just stuck down is from Stationery by Minnie. She's on Etsy. I'll link it down below. She's a little Canadian shop. Her stickers are so cute. And now I'm just adding some other stickers for Saturday. I saw Mamma Mia 2, which was really good. It's pretty sad. I won't do any spoilers because that would just be rude. And then I went to Cafe Rio for lunch. It was just a me and my mom day, so that was nice. And then I wanted to put this little checklist on there, but it was too long, so I just chopped off one of the dots pretty much just to make it shorter. So you can always make your stickers work for you. And then I just jotted down what else we did. I went to Target, Ulta, and where else did we go? Hobby Lobby. I only got stuff at Target though. I had stuff at Hobby Lobby. I was in the line. The line was so long. Hobby Lobby lines, whenever they're long, they take forever, and I don't have the patience for that. So then I was contemplating, and I was like, I really don't need this. So then I left it, and I didn't get it. Sunday, didn't really do much. It was a pretty lazy day. I was packing, but it's not really anything that I care to document. So I'm just writing lazy day. My cursive really isn't that fancy, but I do love this pen. The pen I'm using is from Cocoa Daisy's August kit. It writes so nicely. Absolutely love it. So again, I'm just adding stickers that coordinate well with my page. Like an anchor really has nothing to do with my lazy day, but it looks cute, and that's why I put it there. So some people plan like functionally, and I absolutely love that. And then others plan for pretty uses like me. um, and then here I spent the day with my niece, so I'm just documenting that. And then there was that white space there that I didn't like, so I just put today. So here I'm just putting arrows. I did some online shopping on Tuesday. Amazon Prime Day was a mess on Monday, so then I tried again on Tuesday, ordered a couple things, and then Target also had deals. I think it's a new thing that they're doing. A lot of like competitors are coming out like with the next day, if you noticed, like, hey, come shop with me now. So I did order something at Target. They had some pretty good deals. And then I'm just writing the number up here. So if you enjoy this plan with me and you would like to see future plan with me's, definitely comment down below. That way I know to continue them. If not, this may or may not be my last one. Who knows? But thanks so much for watching. Like I said before, I'm going to link everything down below. That includes the Cocoa Daisy shop stuff and then Stationery by Minnie stickers that I used. Adding my final touches. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, crafty ones, bye!